Hello, little champs. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing your work timely. Today, we will study the second chapter of history on the trail of the earliest people. In this chapter, we will talk about the life of early human. Students, earlier, human was just like animals. He was living in forest, behaved like animals, and he was completely dependent on nature for survival. So, let's see how the human being learned everything to become a civilized person. अर्ली लाइफ में इंसान एनिमल्स की तरह जंगलों में रहते थे और पूरी तरह से नेचर पे डिपेंड थे। उनकी सारी जरूरतें नेचर से ही पूरी हो जाती थी। The man who was living on earth around 2 million years ago was called hunter-gatherer. The name comes from the way in which they got their food. Generally, वे एनिमल्स का शिकार करते थे, जैसे फिश और बर्ड्स को पकड़ते थे। फ्रूट्स एंड प्लांट्स की रूट्स, नट्स, सीड्स एंड लीव्स को कलेक्ट करते थे, इसलिए हम उन्हें हंटर गैदरर कहते हैं। एनिमल्स को हंट मीन्स शिकार करना या फ्रूट्स एक्सेट्रा को कलेक्ट करना एक इजी वर्क नहीं था, बिकॉज देयर वर सेवरल एनिमल्स दैट रन फास्टर देन अस, मैनी आर स्ट्रॉन्गर देन अस। To hunt animals or catch fish and birds, people need to be alert and quick. They had to identify which plants or parts of plants were edible because some of them were poisonous. They had to know the seasons of fruits in which they ripen. Why were they on the move? Early humans हमेशा one place से another place तक घूमते रहते थे। Let's know what's the reason behind it. First reason was that if they stayed at one place, they would have eaten up all the available resources. Means कि खाने के लिए फ्रूट आदि या शिकार नहीं रह जाते थे। Second reason was that animals moved from one place to another in search of smaller prey or in search of grass and leaves. So, to hunt these animals, they had to follow them and move from place to place. जैसा कि कुछ शिकारी एनिमल्स या बर्ड्स अपने शिकार या फूड की तलाश में वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस पर जाते हैं। कुछ ग्रेजिंग एनिमल्स ग्रासलैंड्स की तलाश में भटकते रहते हैं, इसलिए उनका शिकार करने के लिए उन्हें भी भटकते रहना पड़ता था। Third reason was that plants and trees bear fruit in different seasons, so people had to move season to season. Fourth reason was that animals moved in search of water in dry season. That is why they had to follow them to hunt and also to find water for themselves. अब क्वेश्चन ये उठता है कि ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें कैसे मिली, जबकि हम 2 million years पहले की बात कर रहे हैं। Then, here is your answer. The tools made by human to hunt animals. We find. Then, here is your answer. The tools were made by human to hunt animals. We find many tools at several places. These tools were generally made up of stone, wood, and bone. Now here we will read about uses of stone tools. So they were used to cut meat and bone, to scrap bark of trees, and skin of animals, to chop fruits and roots, to dig the roots of plants. इन टूल्स में कुछ बोन्स या लकड़ी के हैंडल्स भी लगे होते थे। So let's recall what you have learned. Here are some MCQs for you. Your first MCQ is you have to complete this statement. Tools of early man were made of, options are gold, copper, stone or soil. Your correct option is stone. Now, your second statement that you have to complete is food. Food gatherer means option A, who exchange food in return. Option B, who roam for production of food. Option C, who roam in search of food. Or option D, who roam to make stone tools. Correct option is who roam in search of food. Now your next MCQ is food of earliest man were. Your options are boiled rice, wheat, water or fruits of the tree. Correct option is fruits of the tree. Your last MCQ is in the early stages humans were dash and nomads. So you have to complete this statement by choosing the correct answer. So let's read the options. Option A, hunter-gatherers. Option B, singers. Option C, musicians or advanced. Your correct option is hunter-gatherers. Now students, here are some questions that are given after the chapter. So you have to solve these questions. The questions are as follows. Question number 1 is, what difficulties were faced by early human in hunting? Question number 2 is, why were early man always on the move? Now, your last question is, what were the uses of stone tools? So, that's it for today kids. Till then, attempt the questions, keep learning. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.